Hi all, welcome to my new video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove image background by using Microsoft PowerPoint. For that, first open MS PowerPoint. Insert the pictures that you want to remove the background. Here I'm selected three pictures. So from insert picture option, you can insert the pictures. So my first picture is this one and I'm selecting the second picture. Next, third picture. In case of first picture, you can see a solid background. The second and third picture, you can see a complex background. So in PowerPoint, you can remove image background in two methods. In case of a solid background, you can use set transparent color option, and in complex background, you can use remove background option. So in the first case, this is a solid background, so we can use the first method. So for that, select the picture and go to the picture format tab. So there is a adjust group. From this group, you can see a color option. From this color option, there is a set transparent color option. So click on this. So when you click on a color, that color become transparent. So here the image background is white, a solid white. So you can click on this and that will become transparent. Now the image background is perfectly removed. So this is the first method, and the second method is by using remove background option. So for the next picture, I'm doing the same procedure. Select the picture format tab and I'm selecting color and set transparent color. So actually this picture is a complex picture. So I'm just trying this set transparent color, but actually it is not working for this image because this is a complex background. So for this complex background, we can use remove background option. So select the picture, go to the picture format tab and select remove background option. So in this remove background option, you can see four options. Mark areas to keep, marks area to remove, discard all changes and keep changes. So here automatically selected the area want to remove and area want to keep. So if you want, you can specify that area. If you want to discard all changes, you can select discard all changes option. Now the area is correctly marked, so you can click on keep changes. So now the background is perfectly removed. Now select the third picture. So this is also a complex background. So we are following the second method. Select the picture, go to the picture format tab and select remove background option. So the area is automatically selected. That is not actually correct. So you can specify mark area to keep. So I am marking the area. So you can zoom this area. Okay, you can mark the area. Now it is okay. You can click on keep changes. Now the image background is perfectly removed. So you can simply remove the image background by using Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope you got some idea about this. Thank you for watching.